Cherry Service Center here again. Good day, everybody. Today we're doing some oil leaks on our Ford Ranger. This is the 2009 2010 model, which is the W overhead cam WE engine. You probably know this model. We call it, some of you all call it the Katai model. This has some oil leak on the engine area. After doing an examination, it coming from the rocker cover gasket, or we call the tappet cover gasket, which is this. So if you look close in the back here, you will see the oil leak. Alright, let me start cleaning it up with a picture for you guys. Alright, so all in the back here is oil leak. Alright, and as we're going to change this tappet cover gasket, as we change in this gasket, we're going to change the injector seals, because in the middle here was contaminated with oil and diesel fuel. So the technician here is removing the injectors. Now these injectors, they'll be stuck most of the times. Why it is be stuck, I will explain that to you now. So that's the injectors being removed one by one. We already loosen them up. Right now, when these injectors are stuck, we have a special tool. We usually come on site where your vehicle is and remove these injectors for you by a big hydraulic puller coming on top and pulling out the injector. There's a video on YouTube that you can see how we do that. So for the guys with the garages and machine shops who have stock injectors, you can give us a call and we do the injector removal. So what causes the injector to stick is that these washers here in the bottom of the injector, sometimes they wear down, and when they wear down, compression comes out and have all this build up here with carbon and stuff, and the injector gets stuck into the cylinder head. So what we're doing to do a complete job, changing the gasket is not a thorough job, it's not a proper job. So we're going to take a parts cleaner and remove, we're going to take a parts cleaner and remove all these muck and grime, clean up them injectors. We're going to replace the new gasket here, and where the injector is going down on the cylinder head, on the cover there, it carries these seals, 4 seals. The injector passes through these seals to go down inside, and these seals are going to be replaced. When the injector is bolted down, these little brackets here locks down the injector onto the head, and there's a bolt going through here. There's one of these bolts here. Right? You have to be careful. These bolts just pop very easy. So these bolts going inside here, and it carries a little washer seal. A lot of the times guys just bypass this, and this just causes most of the oil leak. Simple as that little seal. It's a little bit difficult to get, but we have them here at Jerry's, right? And finally, the washers at the bottom. Now if you look close, there's a special washer. It's a washer with 3 springs. So don't go in the auto shop and just buy a regular washer. It will work 50-50, but it's not the correct thing. This is the original washer with the 3 corner springs inside, right? So we're going to change the gasket, we're going to change these seals, we're going to change the washers, and we're going to change those bolt seals. That will complete the whole top where the injectors have to fit, and that will solve that leak. And we put in the new rocker cover gasket, and that will solve the tappet cover leak. After that, the engine is going to be washed clean, and we're going to examine for any other leaks. What happens sometimes when you have contamination like this, the whole area is being messed up, so it's kind of identify if there's any other leaks in the engine area. So we'll wash, start the engine, and inspect for more leaks. So that is how we do it here at Jerry Service Center. If you have oil leaks on your Ford Ranger, gearbox, differential, transmission, engine, turbo, any kind of oil leaks, coolant leaks, give us a call. We have all the parts to service and repair these Rangers. We also have the parts available retail in our shop. So give us a call at 671 0713. That's the cover being taken out there by the technician. So, right, that's the gasket. Stick up on the cover. Alright, we're going to wash that, and this is inside of the engine. Alright, so this engine have some gum on it. Look, one of the washers still here, and the seal, the next three come out. So we're going to clean out this complete, all this muck, all this grime, do a complete job, and I'll send you guys a video on the assembling, how we go about it. So give us a call at 730-9449, 671-0713, or visit us on Facebook for Ranger parts, BT50 parts, servicing of all makes and models of vehicles.